God bless you. सुंदर लगती है। क्यों
मैम आपकी साड़ी का पल्लू आ रहा है, एक मिनट मैम, थोड़ा सा ये कर।
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay, please. Answer us, please.
Let's dedicate a prayer here. I, Aisha, and Rubina ma'am, here, faculty of Rajiv Gandhi Memorial College of Education, Kathua, welcome you all on behalf of our college.
It's such a wonderful time as we are to grace this occasion. Allow me to welcome you all to one-day workshop Empowering Assessors Effective Psychological Testing.
First of all, I heartily welcome the Honorable Chief Guest Professor Seema Mir, Principal Government Degree College Boys, Kathua. I am especially thankful to her because when we approached her with an invitation and requested her to grace our function as chief guest, she instantly agreed when she looked at our program. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Dr. Vandana Basin, Principal Rajiv Gandhi Memorial College of Education. It's my great pleasure to welcome all of you in one-day workshop on the topic Empowering Assessors Effective Psychological Testing. I know that you are busy professionals, so I appreciate for sparing the time to attend this event. First of all, I would like to extend my special warm welcome to the Principal GDC Kathua as a chief guest. Despite your busy and hectic schedule, we are honored to have you here, madam, an intellectually qualified English scholar, academician who joined the Faculty of Higher Education in 1992. Her area of specialization is Australian fiction. She has 21 years of experience in teaching and managing higher education. She has presented more than 30 papers at conferences and seminars. Furthermore, she had a keen interest in implementing innovations in teaching and learning. Moreover, she also has a strong interest in extension and community work.
For me as a teacher first, because I am a teacher at first and then an administrator, I should say in the last. So it's a proud privilege for GDC Kathua and personally for me to be amongst all of you on this great occasion of the one-day workshop on such a vibrant and very important topic. I will not go into the technicalities of the topic since you have your resource person here, she will be discussing this. But as a teacher, I must say that one thing I want to share with all of you, that the teaching to the taught or the teachers or the we say so many big words and buzzwords, they are the teachers are the nation builders, teachers are the torch bearers. But now with the passage of time, as you can see that the times have changed. Now the classroom teaching is changed the psychological thinking and motivation of the students and the teachers, they have also changed. There are so much of challenges ahead of teachers as well as for the students. So I'm again saying that I will not go into the technicalities of the topic, since Upasana and Priyanka, they came to me with this request to be here on this occasion. Though frankly speaking, I was not having I was having a very tight schedule as a principal of the college. Since I have joined recently, I must share with all of you, since you are the teachers and the trainers and the students also, that I have joined recently. Today I'm in 29. It's been 2 months since I have joined GDC Kathua. And I need to share with all of you one very important thing which I always share with my students in GDC Kathua and somewhere other places also.
To extend my vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. On the behalf of Rajiv Gandhi Memorial College of Education, I would likely to extend my heartiest thanks to our worthy chief guest, Professor Seema Mir, Principal Government Degree College Kathua, our resource person, Dr. Prabjot Kaur, Government Degree College Riyasi, our guest of honor, Mrs. Anu Dogra, Chairperson, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial College of Education, our special guest, Professor Shivani Kotbal, HOD English Department, GDC Boys Kathua, Dr. Varna Bhasin, Principal, Rajiv Gandhi, from the different colleges who spare time from their busy schedule to be a part of this workshop. Special thanks to our organizing committee, our faculty members, our teacher trainers, volunteers, last but not the least, our media persons, for making this workshop as a grand success.
राजीव गांधी मेमोरियल कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन में एक साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्टिंग वर्कशॉप करी है, और इस वर्कशॉप में हमारे चीफ गेस्ट जो हैं वो हैं प्रोफेसर सीमा मीर जीडीसी कठुआ से, और हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर है मैडम अनु डोगरा, और उसके बाद हमारे साथ हमारी रिसोर्स पर्सन हैं डॉक्टर प्रभजोत कौर जो जीडीसी रियासी से हैं। और इस प्रोग्राम को करने का हमारा एक ही मकसद है कि लोगों को, टीचर्स को, टीचर ट्रेनिंग्स को साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्टिंग करनी आ जाए, सो दैट वो बच्चों की प्रॉब्लम्स को देख सके, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को आइडेंटिफाई कर सके और उस तरीके से उनको वो गाइडेंस भी दे सके। तो इसके साथ ही हमारे 2 सेशंस होंगे। एक मॉर्निंग सेशन होगा, सुबह का सेशन, जिसमें सुबह के सेशन में हम लोग जो हमारे रिसोर्सफुल हैं वो साइकोलॉजी टेस्टिंग के बारे में बताएंगे, और आफ्टरनून में, दोपहर में हम इनको जो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं वो उनको खुद करवाएंगे, सो दैट वो उनको साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्टिंग जो है वो बड़े अच्छे तरीके से आ सके। और इससे मैं सोचती हूँ कि जो हमारे टीचर ट्रेनिंग्स हैं और जो हमारे अध्यापक हैं कॉलेजों में, उनको साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्टिंग बड़े अच्छे तरीके से आ जाएगी और इसका अच्छे तरीके से उपयोग भी करें।